Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to find Wise account number, and here is how. First, access your Wise account by opening it, and then log in to your account. Thus, if you'd like to view your account's account details, here is what you should do. Select the balance for the desired currency account here. Select the account for which you wish the account number to be shown. For example, I will select mine here. In order to view your account balance, click on it. A number will then appear here. This is the account number, so you can click on it to take action. Thus, when you click on this, all of your account information will appear, including your account number and other details. And after that, you have more tabs to the left, where you can view all of the information about your account in one place, along with your account number. That is how you can get the account number. It is simple to do and rather easy to understand. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.